Imagine standing on the edge of a precipice, the wind howling around you, and the only thing between you and the shot of a lifetime is the piece of glass sitting in the palm of your hand. For years, we've played a game of incremental updates, chasing megapixels and minor software tweaks that promised a revolution but delivered a refined version of the same old story. But today, the narrative shifts entirely. The DJI Osmo Action 7 isn't just another action camera. It is a seismic event in the world of content creation, a device that feels like it was pulled directly from a future we weren't supposed to see for another decade. We are moving beyond the era of simply recording reality and entering the age of capturing the invisible, the impossible, and the cinematic with a device small enough to fit in your pocket. This is the culmination of years of silent engineering, a response to every limitation we've ever faced in the field, and a declaration of war against the status quo of mobile cinematography. The heart of this beast beats with a sensor technology that defies the laws of physics as we understood them. We aren't just talking about a larger sensor. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how light is processed. The Action 7 introduces a specialized architecture that mimics the organic depth of professional cinema cameras while maintaining the rugged, indestructible DNA that DJI is known for. When you hit record, you aren't just capturing pixels. You're capturing data with a dynamic range that makes previous models look like grainy home movies from the 90s. The highlights no longer blow out into a white void, and the shadows aren't swallowed by digital noise. Instead, you get a rich, textured image that carries the weight and soul of 35mm film, yet is shot at 8K resolution at frame rates that make gravity seem like a suggestion rather than a law. This is the breakthrough that finally bridges the gap between the casual adventurer and the high-end filmmaker, removing the technical barriers that have kept professional quality out of the reach of the palm-sized camera market. But resolution is nothing without stability, and this is where DJI has essentially broken the matrix. The new stabilization system is no longer just about smoothing out bumps. It's about predictive motion. Using an onboard processor that handles trillions of operations per second, the Action 7 anticipates your movement before it happens. Whether you are hurtling down a mountain bike trail at 40 miles per hour or diving into a turbulent ocean, the horizon remains locked with a precision that used to require a $5,000 gimbal. It creates a floating sensation, a Steadicam effect that is so smooth it feels eerie. This isn't just software cropping. It is a hardware-integrated intelligence that understands the environment, providing a level of fluidity that keeps the viewer's eyes glued to the screen, eliminating the motion sickness often associated with high-action footage. You're no longer watching a video. You are experiencing a perspective. What truly separates the great from the legendary, however, is how a device handles the absence of light. In the past, action cameras were daylight tools only. Once the sun dipped below the horizon, the footage turned into a muddy, unusable mess. The Action 7 changes that forever. With its specialized low-light mode, powered by a dedicated AI neural engine, it pulls detail out of the darkness that the human eye can barely perceive. Imagine filming a campfire under a moonless sky and seeing the sparks, the texture of the wood, and the stars in the background with crystal clarity and zero grain. This opens up an entire half of the world that was previously off-limits to creators. Night hikes, urban exploration after dark, and late-night sessions at the skate park are now viable, high-quality subjects. This low-light performance isn't just a feature. It's a liberation from the constraints of the clock. Then there is the matter of the smart ecosystem. The Action 7 is the first camera that truly talks back to you in a meaningful way. It utilizes an integrated tracking system that can lock onto a subject and maintain focus even through complex foreground obstructions. If you're a solo creator, this is your cameraman. You can set the camera down, walk away, and it will intelligently frame the shot, following your face or body with a smoothness that looks intentional and artistic. No more missed shots because you stepped out of the frame. No more hunting for focus. It's as if there is an invisible hand guiding the lens, ensuring that you are always the centerpiece of your story. Combined with a revamped audio array that uses directional beamforming microphones, the camera isolates your voice while suppressing wind noise and ambient chaos, delivering studio-quality sound in the middle of a hurricane. The build quality has also evolved into something that feels more like aerospace equipment than a consumer gadget. The glass is tougher, the seals are deeper, and the heat dissipation system has been redesigned from the ground up to allow for unlimited recording times even at maximum resolution. We've all been there. The camera shuts down due to overheating just as the action gets intense. With the Action 7, that frustration is a relic of the past. It is built to endure the extremes, from the freezing peaks of the Himalayas to the humid jungles of the Amazon, without ever missing a beat. It's a tool that respects the effort you put into your adventures, ensuring that when you get home, the footage is exactly as you remembered it, if not better. This camera doesn't just record your life, it elevates it. It challenges you to go further, to push harder, and to see more, because finally, you have a companion that can keep up. This is the DJI Osmo Action 7, and the world of video will never be the same again.